ॐ शुक्लां भरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करभावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निरये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு ஹரஹரோஹரா. லோகவீர்யம் மகாபூஜ்யம் சர்வரக்ஷாகரம் விபும் பார்வதி ஹிருதயானந்தம் சாஸ்தாரம் பிரணமாம்யகம். சுவாமியே சரணமையப்பா. வாகர்த்தாவிவ சம்பிரக்தௌ வாகர்த்த பிரதிபத்தஹே ஜகதः பிதரௌ வந்தே பார்வதி பரமேஸ்வரௌ. ஸ்ரீ பார்வதி பரமேஸ்வராभ्यां நமः. कोमलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णेनैव सुरक्षितोऽहमसकृत् कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन् हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरणभ्यर्थितानपि आर्तान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी ध्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽयं। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं श्रीः भट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशीविभूषितकरात् नवनीरदाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलादरोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടും ഇറക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനു മന്യനെ കുമ്പിടേണ്ട തോറോ രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കെന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ. Welcome everyone. Welcome to the class. Hope you all got a chance to practice the other chapters as well in this break. So today we'll get to the next batch of 8 right before we do another revision. So we'll start with 26th chapter, Gajendra Moksham. So this is another very famous, so like as you know, Narayanam is taken from Bhagavatam, and in Srimad Bhagavatam, amongst everything that they have talked about, they gave good importance to just this portion of it, of Gajendra Moksha. So that's why Bhattacharya also has dedicated an entire chapter towards this. And like in most things, it's better to first know the outcome, right? So the last stanza of this, like many other Indian scriptures, this one says anyone can chant this or should chant this early in the morning after they wake up from sleep, right? When they have problems, then you chant it early in the morning every day. So this is one of those chapters which you can potentially chant every day as well, because that's what Krishna has also said at the end of this chapter as well. So it's a pretty interesting, it's a nice chapter as well, simple one as well. So for today, let's so Shubhadra, can you be a student?
Yes, sir.
And then who had picked here? Sridevi Garu on? No. Okay, Srilata Garu, you can be a student then today, okay?
Okay, Rajesh Garu.
So 26 first stanza. Indradyumnah Pandyakhandadirajaha त्वद्भक्तात्मा चन्दनाद्रौ कदाचित् त्वत्सेवायां मग्नधीरालुलोके नैवागस्त्यं प्राप्तमातिथ्यकामम्. So the long time back, there was a king whose name was Indradyumna. This king Indradyumna was in Pandya Khanda. Pandya land is the South India, Tamil Nadu, now Tamil Nadu, right? So long time back, so he was the ruler of that land in Tamil Nadu, and he was also a Tvad Bhaktatma. He was, although he was a king, he was also completely devoted to you, O Lord. And then eventually, when the time had come, like many kings used to do at that time, he renounced his kingdom, he renounced everything, his family and everyone, and then he then went completely into your worship. So he went into this Chandanadro, he went into this Malaya mountains, which is referring to the Podigai. For those who know Tamil Nadu, there is a mountain called Podigai Mountains. So he went to that place, the Podigai Mountains there, as a sannyasi. He kind of retired from his kingdom and he was completely absorbed in your worship. So one such day, when he was, he was there busy, he was doing his penance and everything. So one of the sages, Sage Agastya, happened to stop by there. And what the scriptures say is, anytime a holy person comes, somebody like a Sage Agastya comes, then you are supposed to pay attention to them and you're supposed to receive them, welcome them, and take care of them. However, this king was not expecting Agastya to come, so he was completely busy with his prayers and he completely ignored, or he did not even notice that Sage Agastya had come there. So that's what is happening in first stanza. So Indradyumnaha is there. You can put a if to join. So Indradyumnah Pandya Khandadi Rajaha. Pandya Khandadi Rajaha. Put a visarga at the end of that line and a comma at the end of the first line. Next line, if you have a is, remove that is out. So it's Tvad Bhaktatma Chandanadrau. Chandanadrau Kadachit. Tvat Sevayam Magna Dhiralu Loke. Dhira Alu Loke. So Dhiralu Loke, comma. Naiva Gastyam. Naiva Gastyam Praptam Atitya Kamam. So Praptam Atitya Kamam, or you can say that together, Praptam Atitya Kamam as one word. Indradyumnah Pandyakhandadirajaha Twadbhaktatma Chandanadrau Kadachit Twatsevayam Magnadhiraluloke Naiva Gastyam Praptamaditya Kamam.
Indradyumnah Pandyakhandadirajaha Twadbhaktatma Chandanadrau Kadachit त्वत्सेवायां मग्नतीरालुलोके नैवागस्त्यं प्राप्तमादित्यकामम् इन्द्रद्युम्नः पाण्ड्यकण्ठाधिराजः त्वद्भक्तात्मा चन्दनाद्रौ कदाचित् त्वत्सेवायां मग्नतीरालुलोके नैवागस्त्यं प्राप्तमादित्यकामम्
इन्द्रद्युम्नः पाण्ड्यकण्ठाधिराजः त्वद्भक्तात्मा चन्दनाद्रौ कदाचित् त्वत्सेवायां मग्नधीरालुलोके नैवागस्त्यं प्राप्तमातिथ्यकामम् इन्द्रद्युम्नः पाण्ड्यकण्ठाधिराजः त्वद्भक्तात्मा चन्दनाद्रौ कदाचित् त्वत्सेवायां मग्नधीरालुलोके नैवागस्त्यं प्राप्तमातिथ्यकामम्
Stanza 2. कुम्भोद्भूते संवृतक्रोधभारः स्तब्धात्मा त्वं हस्तिभूयं भजेति शप्त्वा तैनं प्रत्यगात्सोऽपि लेभे हस्तीन्द्रत्वं त्वत्स्मृतिव्यक्तिधन्यम्. So kumbhodbhudi means bhu is to be or bhuti is to be born. Kumbhodbhuti means the one who is actually born from a kumbham or a pot. So it's not just that during Mahabharata the Kauravas were all born through the pot, right? Some kind of inverter or some kind of fertilization. But even Agastya is called Kumbhodbhuti because he was born from a pot. So by artificial means. So that Agastya now gets extremely angry because this king is ignored Agastya coming. So then he curses that king now, saying, if you all notice elephants, right? The elephants are just busy standing, chewing on whatever trees or anything, and they are not like dogs, right? So dogs, when they see a human or somebody, they keep running after you, they keep barking. But elephants are just minding their own business, and they are kind of like very lazy kind of elephants. They just stand in the same place for hours. So he then curses him, saying that you are such a stabdhatma, you are such a person who is very haughty and proud, and you don't seem to care about what is happening. So I'm now cursing you that hasti bhuyam bhajeti, that in your next janma you're going to be born as an elephant, because you are behaving like one, you're going to be born as an elephant. So I'm saying that Agastya then departs. So this Indradhyumna, then in his next birth, he then Hastindratvam. So he is then born as an elephant, but not just as an ordinary elephant, but as a very, like a king of elephants. Like he's born as a very big elephant, right? A mighty elephant. However, the fortune he had was Tvat Smriti Vyaktidhanyam, that his devotion to you, somehow that was still retained in his memory. Even though he was born as an elephant, he still retained his memory of his devotion to you from his previous birth. So, Kumbhot Bhutihi is there. You can put a is to join. Kumbhot Bhutis Sambhrita Krodha Bharaha, comma, Stabdatma Tvam Hasti Bhuyam Bhajeti. Shaptwatainam, one word, Shaptwatainam Pratyagat Sopi Lebhe, comma, Hastindratvam Tvat Smriti Vyakti Dhanyam. Tvat Smriti Vyakti Dhanyam. 4 words there. कुम्भोद्भूते संभृतक्रोधभारः स्तब्धात्मा त्वं हस्तिभूयं भजेति शप्त्वा तैनं प्रत्यगात्सोऽपि नेभे हस्तीन्द्रत्वं त्वत्स्मृतिव्यक्तिधन्यम्.
कुम्भोद्भूते संभृतक्रोधभारः स्तब्धात्मा त्वं हस्तिभूयं भजेति शब्दाधैनं प्रत्यगात् शोभिलेभे हस्तीन्द्रत्वं तत्स्मृतिव्यक्तिधन्यम्. कुम्भोद्भूते संपृतक्रोधभारः स्तब्धात्मा त्वं हस्तिभूयं भजेति सप्त्वादैनं प्रत्यगाच्छोभिलेपे हस्तीन्द्रत्वं त्वत्स्मृतिव्यक्तिधन्यम्
कुम्भो भूते संवृत क्रोधभारः स्तब्धात्मा त्वं हस्ति भूयं भजेति क्षप्त्वा तैनं प्रत्यगात् सोऽपि लेभे हस्तीन्द्रत्वं त्वत्स्मृतिव्यक्तिधन्यम् कुम्भोद्भूते संवृत क्रोधभारः स्तब्धात्मा त्वं हस्ति भूयं भजेति क्षप्त्वा तैनं प्रत्यगात् सोऽपि लेभे हस्तीन्द्रत्वं त्वत्स्मृतिव्यक्तिधन्यम्.
Shrita Garu, the second line bhajeti is a short e, okay, not a
Okay.
long one. Okay.
Sure. Bhajeti. Okay.
Stanza 3. दुग्धां भोदेर्मध्यभाजे त्रिकूटे क्रीडन् शैले यूतपोयं वशाभिः सर्वान् जन्तूनत्यवर्तिष्ठशक्त्या त्वद्भक्तानां कुत्र नोत्कर्षलाभः. So this elephant is now born in the Trikuta mountains, and you know, when you search for, hey, where is this Trikuta mountains, the closest, or maybe I don't know how accurate it is, but the approximate reference to that is kind of where the Vaishnav Devi temple is today. So it is kind of somewhere in that area. This elephant is born there, and in this elephant, once it is born, and like it said earlier, right, he was kind of the leader of the pack. He was a very mighty and a very lordly elephant, and he was the leader of the pack, and he was excelling, you know, atyavartishta, sarvan jantun atyavartishta. So among all the other elephants who were there, he was the strongest, and he was kind of the leader of the pack essentially. So here Bhattadripad then says, Tvad Bhaktanam, he says, oh Krishna, for your devotees, people who are completely devoted to you, Kutra Notkarsha Labaha, where else will they not attain superiority? They're always great, they're always superior because they're completely devoted to you. So this was one such elephant, right? And so because of that, naturally, he was the leader of the pack in that region. So Dugdhambode, Dugdha Ambode, but you can say it as one word. Dugdhamboder Madhya Bhaji Trikute, comma, Kridan Chaile Yutapoyam Vashabhihi Sarvan Jantun Atya Vartishta. So Sarvan Jantun Atya Vartishta, or you can say that word together, Jantun Atya Vartishta Shaktya, comma, Tvat Bhaktanam Kutra Notkarsha Labaha. दुग्धां भोदेर्मध्यभाजे त्रिकूटे क्रीडन् शैले यूतपोयं वशाभिः सर्वान् जन्तूनत्यवर्तिष्ठशक्त्या त्वद्भक्तानां कुत्र नोत्कर्षलाभः.
दुग्धाम्बोधे मध्यभाजे त्रिकूटे क्रीडन् शैले यूतपोयं वशाभिः सर्वान् जन्तून् अत्यवर्तिष्ठशक्त्या त्वद्भक्तानां कुत्र नोत्कर्षलाभः. दुग्धाम्बोधेर्मध्यभाजे त्रिकूटे क्रीडन् शैले यूतपोयं वशाभिः सर्वान् जन्तून् अत्यवर्तिष्ठशक्त्या त्वद्भक्तानां कुत्र नोत्कर्षलाभः.
दुग्धाम्बोधेर्मध्यभाजित्रिकूटे क्रीडं चैले यूतपोयं वशाभिः सर्वान् जन्तून् अत्यवर्तिष्ठशक्त्या त्वद्भक्तानां कुत्र नोत्कर्षलाभः.
Srila Tagaru, the second line, Kridan, it's a ing sound, not a im sound.
Kridan. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Kridam Chaile, right?
Kridan Chaile, not im, not m. It's kind of the short of the nya. It's a half of nya, so it's the in. Yeah.
Dugdham Bodher Madhya
Dugdham, sorry,
sorry,
Dugdham.
yeah, Dugdham Bodher Madhya Bajitrikute Kridam Chaile Yutapoyam Vashabhihi Sarvan Jentun Atyavartishta Shaktya Tvadbhaktanam Putra Notkarsha Labhaha.
I think even now you see, you said Kreedam, you said. So Kreedam means the crown.
So
This Kreedan, yeah.
we have zero there. Kridam only we have, Rajesh Garu.
Okay, you may ought to change it because it's Kreedan Chaile. It's a in.
Okay,
Okay.
Kridan Chaile. Oh, got it. Okay, that's why I'm reading Kridam.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because
Okay,
Kreedam refers to the Mukutam, Kiritam, that kind of
sure.
goes in that direction. This
Okay,
Kreedan is to playing with other elephants.
got it. Can I just go with that one line again,
Yeah, go
Rajesh
ahead.
Garu?
Yeah.
Dugdambodher madhya bajitrikute Kridan Chaile Yutapoyam Vashabhihi.
Correct.
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah, thank you.
Stanza 4. स्वेनस्तेम्ना दिव्यदेशत्वशक्त्या सोऽहं खेदानप्रजानन् कदाचित् शैलप्रान्ते घर्मतान्तः सरस्यां यूतैः सार्धं त्वत्प्रणुन्नोभिरेमे. So this elephant, for a couple of reasons. One, because he was extremely strong, of course, which is already discussed. Second is each place has a significance, right? And when you go to that respective places, whether you go to Tirupati or Guruvayur or whichever place you frequent, so each of that place, the Divya Desham has its own energy, and because of that, that kind of gets you a little bit of strength as well. So because of a combination of his own strength as well as that Divya Deshatva Saktya, because of the power of the divine region which he was in, which is in the Trikuta mountains, this elephant never faced any hardships at all in his life so far. However, and as he was roaming around in the slopes of that, Gharmatantas, Shaila Prante, one day during summer, because of extreme heat, than the heat, they've never faced that heat before. So they were all kind of running out of energy and they were all getting tired because of the intense heat that was happening. And so what he does is, along with his friends, along with the other herd of elephants, he goes to Sarasya. He goes to a lake which is actually in that region. And here Bhattacharya also says is, all of this is Tvat Pranunaha. It's because of your prompting only all of this is happening. So because of that, he then goes along with his friends to a lake so he can cool down. So Svena Sthemna Divya Deshatva Shaktya, comma, Soyam Khedan Aprajanan. If you want to break it, Khedan Aprajanan, or say the whole thing together. Kadachit Shaila Prante Gharma Tantaha is there. Put a is to join. Tantas Sarasyam, comma, Yutais Sardham Tvat Pranunnobhireme. One word, Pranunnobhireme. स्वेनस्तेम्ना दिव्यदेशत्वशक्त्या सोऽह्यं खेदानप्रजानन् कदाचित् शैलप्रान्ते घर्मतान्तः सरस्यां यूतैः सार्धं त्वत्प्रणुन्नोभिरेमे.
Rajesh, you want quick question. So Divya Dehatva or Desatva?
Deshatva, Divya Desham.
Desatva. Okay.
Yeah.
I have ha. Okay.
Yeah, you want to change that one. It's Desham, Divya Desham, divine place.
Deshatva. Okay. Svenastemna Divya Shakya Soyam Kedan Aprajanan Kadachit Saila Prande Garmadantas Sarasyam Yudai Sadam Pranunno Pireme Svenastemna Divya Shakya Soyam Kedan Aprajanan Kadachit Shaila Prande Garmatantas Sarasyam Yudai Sardam Tvat Pranunno Bireme.
Svena Temna Divya Deshatva Shaktya सोऽयं केदान् अप्रजानन् कदाचित् शैलप्रान्ते कर्मतान्तः सरस्यां यूतैः सार्धं त्वत्प्रणुनोभिरेमे
Pranunno, the double na there. So tvat pranunno bhireme.
त्वत्प्रणुनोभिरेमे.
Correct.
स्वेन तेम्ना दिव्यदेशत्वशक्त्या सोऽयं केदान् अप्रजानन् कदाचित् शैलप्रान्ते कर्मतान्तः सरस्यां यूतैः सार्धं त्वत्प्रणुनोभिरेमे.
Stanza 5. हुहुस्तावद्देवलस्यापि शापात् ग्राहीभूतस्तज्जले वर्तमानः जग्राहैनं हस्तिनं पाददेशे शान्त्यर्थं हि श्रान्तिधोषि स्वकानाम्. So now we're going to see another flashback story. So there was a king whose name was Huhu. He was a Gandharva. So Gandharvas are people who reside in other non-earthly planets. So this Gandharva one day was playing in a lake. He was a king, Gandharva king. So he was playing in the lake with some other women companions of his. So at that time there was a sage called Devala. The Devala Rishi happened to come to that lake or river to do some puja or something. So because this Huhu Gandharva king was playing with others, he accidentally pulled that Devala Rishi's feet and pulled him under the water. So of course they were like what happened with Agastya, right? Devala Rishi also got angry and said he cursed this king Huhu to be then born as a crocodile in his next Janmam. So this king then immediately apologizes to him, saying, you know what, it's a mistake and all that. So, but he says, no, what is said is done, and you're going to be born, but don't worry, you will eventually get liberated, you know, and once you kind of pay the price for everything you did. So that's a curse that happens. So Thad Jale Vartamanaha. So who happened to be in that waters where our elephant Gajendra, who actually went there in the previous stanza, is this crocodile named who was the Gandharva and who was there. And this crocodile at that time then Pada Deshe, it ended up, and when the elephant was in the water, it caught the leg of the elephant, Padam, it caught the leg of the elephant. So here, you know, the question that comes is, why is this elephant now having to undergo all this problem? Why are these problems happening to this elephant, right? I think that's a question we all contemplate all the time. So here Bhattacharya is saying that, you know, there's a reason, and we also saw it in Dhruva Charitram, right? So whatever incident happened to Dhruva when he could not sit on his father's lap prompted him to take certain steps and certain actions, which is why he ended up going into meditation. That was the reason he was able to see the Lord. So similarly here Bhattacharya is saying these sufferings was given to Gajendra by you, right, for a reason, because eventually it is only going to be for his benefit. He just doesn't realize what that benefit is. So that's what he's saying. So anyway, the elephant is getting caught right now by the crocodile. So this was 5, right? Yeah. So who's Tavad Devalasyapi. Who's Tavad Devalasyapi Shapat, comma, Grahi Bhutas Tajjale, double J, Tajjale Vartamanaha Jagrahainam Hastinam Pada Deshe, comma, Shantyartam Hi Shranti Dosi Swakanam. So the first word is Sha, Shantyartam. Next is Shra, S-H-R-A, Shra, Shranti Dosi. Huhustavad Devalasyapi Shapat Grahi Bhutastajjale Vartamanaha Jagrahainam Hastinam Padadeshe Shantyartam hi Shanti Dhosi Swakanam.
Huhustavad Devalasyapi Shapat Grahi Bhutastajjale Vartamanaha जग्राहैनं हस्तिनं पाददेशे सान्त्यत्तं विश्रान्तिदोषी स्वगानाम्.
Shubhatan, the last line, fourth line, first word is sha, sh, shantyartam.
शान्त्यर्थं विश्रान्तिदोषी स्वकानाम्. हुहुस्तावद्देवलस्यापि शापात् ग्राहीभूतस्तज्जले वर्तमानः. जग्राहैनं हस्तिनं पाददेशे शान्त्यर्थं विश्रान्तिदोषी स्वकानाम्.
हुहुस्तावद्देवलस्यापि शापात् ग्राहीभूतस्तजले वर्तमानः जग्राहैनं हस्तिनं पाददेशे शान्त्यर्थं हि श्रान्तिदोषि स्वकानाम्. हुहुस्तावद्देवलस्यापि शापात् ग्राहीभूतस्तजले वर्तमानः जग्राहैनं हस्तिनं पाददेशे शान्त्यर्थं हि श्रान्तिदोषि स्वकानाम्.
The second line,
Yeah.
taj jale, that first ja, half ja has to be heard. So taj jale vartamanaha.
ग्राहीभूतस्तजले वर्तमानः.
Yeah. So just make sure you are like maybe very microsecond pause there, right? Taj jale. Otherwise, it will sound as tajale vartamanaha. That's why.
ग्राहीभूतस्तजले वर्तमानः.
Stanza 6. त्वत्सेवाया वैभवा दुर्निरोधं युध्यन्तं तं वत्सराणां सहस्रं प्राप्ते काले त्वत्पदैकाग्र्यसिद्ध्यै नक्राक्रान्तं हस्तिवर्यं व्यधास्त्वम्. So this is a very important stanza, right? Because the first part of it is really what it is really saying is, because of Tvat Sevaya Vaibhava, because of the power of your worship, which this elephant, the karma that he is carrying into this Janmam, he was able to continuously fight with this elephant. And it says, Vatsaranam Sahasram, he fought for thousands of years. Or maybe, sometimes in poetry it's exaggeration, we don't know exactly how many years he fought, but because of the strength that he had of your worship, he kept fighting with this crocodile, right, this elephant. And neither of them was conceding and neither of them was winning either. And when things go well, right, we all take credit to ourselves, saying it is because of what I did that the success is happening, and we all take credit. But however, when things don't go well, we immediately blame it's not our fault, right? It is that, no, I don't understand why God is doing this to me, right? It's very unfair. So that is something that everybody goes through and everybody says that. And here the important thing that Bhattaripad is saying is, when the appropriate time came, for everything there is a time, you got to reach a certain level when the time inflection point happens, right? And the inflection point is here in this case is where the appropriate time came for this elephant to get ekagre siddhyai. There's a one pointed devotion. There is no conditions, right? So it's not like, okay, I'm going to spend 2 hours doing this, or if this happens then I'll do this. So when the appropriate time came for this elephant to get into that one pointed devotion to you, where you are the only hope, you are the only chance, right? Tvatpadai, to your feet. At that time, when that appropriate time came, eventually the elephant automatically, it could not fight anymore and it gave up. Right? And we'll see in the next one, and I'll give another comparison as we go to the next paragraph. But here it says, when the appropriate time came, the elephant had to give up. It could not fight any longer. And Bhattaripad is saying, Tvam Vyadaha, it is all because of your desire for something to happen here. And you are the one who prompted this to happen. So, Tvat Sevaya Vaibhavat Durnirodham, comma. One second. Yudhyantam tam vatsaranam sahasram prapte kale tvat padaikagrya, so that's one word, tvat padaikagrya siddhyai, comma, nakrakrantam hasti varyam vyadas tvam. त्वत्सेवाया वैभवाद्दुर्निरोधं युध्यन्तं तं वत्सराणां सहस्रं प्राप्ते काले त्वत्पदैकाग्र्यसिद्ध्यै नक्राक्रान्तं हस्तिवर्यं व्यधास्त्वम्.
त्वत्सेवाया वैभवात् दुर्निरोधं यद्यन्तं तं
युध्यन्तं
युध्यन्तं तं वत्सराणां सहस्रं प्राप्ते काले त्वत्पदैकाग्र्यसिद्ध्यै नग्राग्रान्तं हस्तिवर्यं यदास्त्वम्.
So the last word, nakrakrantam.
नक्राक्रान्तं हस्तिवर्यं यदास्त्वम्. त्वत्सेवाया वैभवात् दुर्निरोधं युध्यन्तं तं वत्सराणां सहस्रं प्राप्ते काले त्वत्पदैकाग्र्यसिद्ध्यै नक्राक्रान्तं हस्तिवर्यं यदास्त्वम्.
त्वत्सेवाया वैभवात् दुर्निरोधं युध्यन्तं तं वत्सराणां सहस्रं प्राप्ते काले त्वत्पदैकाग्र्यसिद्ध्यै नक्राकान्तं हस्तिवर्यं व्यदास्त्वम्. त्वत्सेवाया वैभवात् दुर्निरोधं युध्यन्तं तं वत्सराणां सहस्रं प्राप्ते काले त्वत्पदैकाग्र्यसिद्ध्ये नक्राकान्तं हस्तिवर्यं व्यदास्त्वम्.
Stanza 7. आर्तिव्यक्त प्राक्तन ज्ञान भक्तिः शुण्डोत्क्षिप्तैः पुण्डरीकैः समर्चन् पूर्वाभ्यस्तं निर्विशेषात्मनिष्ठं स्तोत्रं श्रेष्ठं सोन्वगादीत् परात्मन्. So we saw in Dasakam 22 Ajamilopakyanam, right? So when the time for his death came, unconsciously, right, and he remembered his youngest son Narayana and he called out Narayana's name. You all know the story in Mahabharata as well, right? Draupadi, when the Vastapaharanam was happening, only at the point where she completely gave up and surrendered to the Lord, right? At that time, then the Lord came in and helped. And there are many such stories. So even here, similarly as well, is Pratana Jnana Bhakti. Because of the Jnanam, because of the knowledge, and because of the Bhakti, and because of the devotion that this Gajendra has carried over from his previous life. Like I said, he still retained that in his unconscious memory. Because of that he had, which came out at the time of his suffering. So when the stress of the suffering reached a point where he could not control it anymore and he had completely given up, then he said, my only resort is I cannot fight anymore, and he completely surrenders to the Lord. And what he does is Shundopkshiptaihi, with his trunk he plucks a lotus flower which is actually there, which is accessible to him, and then he starts singing a stotram sreshtam. He starts singing a great hymn, and in Bhagavatam they talk about the sing what he thinks. Even it's an elephant, right? So it's thinking, it's not singing as in verbally singing, but he starts praising the Lord because of the knowledge that he still retained from his previous birth, and he does this to Nirvishesh Atmanishtam. So he doesn't call any particular God. He's just calling the Supreme Brahman. So he praises the Supreme Brahman and Nirvishesh Atmanishtam, and then he praises the Supreme Brahman and says, please come to my help. So that's what happens here when he then eventually gives up. So Arti Vyakta Praktana Jnana Bhaktihi, comma. Arti Vyakta Praktana Jnana Bhaktihi, comma. Kshundotkshiптaihi is there. Put a if to join. Kshundotkshiптaihi pundarikaihi is there, put a is, pundarikais samarchan. Purvabhyastam nirvisheshatma, nirvishesha atma, so nirvisheshatma nishtam, comma, stotram sreshtham sonvagadit paratman. आर्तिव्यक्त प्राक्तन ज्ञान भक्तिः शुण्डोत्क्षिप्तैः पुण्डरीकैः समर्चन् पूर्वाभ्यस्तं निर्विशेषात्मनिष्ठं स्तोत्रं श्रेष्ठं सोन्वगादीत् परात्मन्.
आर्तिव्यक्त प्राक्तन ज्ञान भक्तिः
I'm sorry,
शुण्डो-
Stotram or stotra, because I have stotra shreshtham.
Yeah, change it to stotram shreshtam. Put a im there if it's not there. Yeah, some books have it as just stotra.
आर्तिव्यक्त प्राक्तन ज्ञान भक्तिः शुण्डो क्षिप्तैः पुण्डरीकैः समर्चन् पूर्वाभ्यस्तं निर्विशेषात्मनिष्ठं स्तोत्रं श्रेष्ठं सोन्वगादीत् परात्मन्. आर्तिव्यक्त प्राक्तन ज्ञान भक्तिः शुण्डोत्क्षिप्तैः पुण्डरीकैः समर्चन् पूर्वाभ्यस्तं निर्विशेषात्मनिष्ठं स्तोत्रं श्रेष्ठं सोन्वगादीत् परात्मन्.
आर्तिव्यक्त प्राक्तन ज्ञान भक्तिः शुण्डोत्क्षिप्तैः पुण्डरीकैः समर्चन् पूर्वाभ्यस्तं निर्विशेषात्मनिष्ठं स्तोत्रं श्रेष्ठं सोन्वगादीत् परात्मन्. आर्तिव्यक्त प्राक्तन ज्ञान भक्तिः शुण्डोत्क्षिप्तैः पुण्डरीकैः समर्चन्
Again, shundotक्षिप्तैः.
शुण्डोत्क्षिप्तैः पुण्डरीकैः समर्चन् पूर्वाभ्यस्तं निर्विशेषात्मनिष्ठं स्तोत्रं श्रेष्ठं सोन्वगादीत् परात्मन्.
Stanza 8. श्रुत्वा स्तोत्रं निर्गुणस्तं समस्तं ब्रह्मेशाद्यैर्नाहमित्यप्रयाते सर्वात्मा त्वं भूरि कारुण्यवेगात् तार्क्ष्यारूढः प्रेक्षितो भूः पुरस्तात्. So like it said earlier in the previous stanza, he is not addressing a specific god. He is just singing it. He is singing a stotram which is to the Supreme Brahman. So on hearing this stotram to the which is attributable to the Nirgunastam, which is to the Supreme Brahman, Brahmeshadhyay, Brahma Isha Adyaihi. So Brahma, Shiva and the other gods, they don't respond because they are saying, you know what, he's praying, he's not calling Shiva for Shiva to come, he's not calling Brahma, he's praying to the Supreme Brahman. So none of these gods are responding to be able to help. However, Tvam Sarva Atma, you, O Krishna, who is the Sarva Atma, who is the Atma of all the living beings, right? And who is the ultimate Brahman, out of Karunya Vegat, out of your compassion to him, you now Tarkshya Rudaha, you are now mounting on this Garuda and you now come in front of Purastad, you come in front of Gajendra to help him out. So Shrutva Stotram Nirgunastam Samastam, comma, Brahme Shadhyair Naham Itya Prayate, Naham Itya Prayate or Naham Itya Prayate, Sarvatma Tvam Bhuri Karunya Vegate, comma, Tarkshya Rudaha is there, so put a if to join, Tarkshya Rudaf Prekshito, again Buhu is there, put a if, Prekshito Buf Purastad. Shrutva Stotram Nirgunastham Samhastam ब्रह्मेशाध्यैर्नाहमित्यप्रयाते सर्वात्मा त्वं भूरि कारुण्यवेगात् तार्क्ष्यारूढः प्रेक्षितो भुः पुरस्तात्
श्रुत्वा स्तोत्रं निर्गुणस्थं समस्तं ब्रह्मेशाद्यैर्नाहमित्यै प्रयाते
आहम् इत्यप्रयाते
नाहमित्यप्रयाते सर्वात्मा त्वं भूरि कारुण्यवेगात् दार्क्ष्यारूढः प्रेक्षितो भूः पुरस्तात् श्रुत्वा स्तोत्रं निर्गुणस्थं समस्तं ब्रह्मेशाद्यैर्नाहमित्यप्रयाते सर्वात्मा त्वं भूरि कारुण्यवेगात् दार्क्ष्यारूढः प्रेक्षितो भूः पुरस्तात्
श्रुत्वा स्तोत्रं निर्गुणस्थं समस्तं ब्रह्मेशादैर्नाहमित्यप्रयाते सर्वात्मा त्वं भूरि कारुण्यवेगात् तार्क्ष्यारूढः प्रेक्षितो भूः पुरस्तात्.
So Srilata Garu's second line,
Yeah.
Brahmeshadhyair, dya, the, nya, shadhyair.
Brahmeshadeir.
Yeah.
Deira.
Dhyai, dhyai,
Dhyai.
dhyai,
Okay.
the, nya, dhyai.
Okay, sure. Okay. श्रुत्वा स्तोत्रं निर्गुणस्थं समस्तं ब्रह्मेशादैर्नाहमित्यप्रयाते सर्वात्मा त्वं भूरि कारुण्यवेगात् तार्क्ष्यारूढः प्रेक्षितो भूः पुरस्तात्.
Stanza 9. Hastindram tam hastapadmena dhritva chakrena tvam nakravaryam vyadharihi gandharvesmin mukta shape sahasti tvatsarupyam prapya dedipyate sma. So now once now Vishnu comes in front there, so he now pulls the elephant out from the, frees the elephant from the mouth of the crocodile. So the elephant is liberated. At the same time, Chakrenatvam, along with from the discus, Nakravaryam Vedarihi, you killed the crocodile and thereby liberated the Gandharva. So the Huhu Gandharva, who had to take multiple births, right, and who was now birthed as a crocodile, was now completely freed up and he got liberated as well. And then Gandharvesman Mukta Shape. So from his curse, you completely freed the Gandharva out of this. And then you took the elephant now Gajendran, now Prapya Tvatsarupyam. So he also attained the form similar to yours. And when you say attained the form similar to yours, it means that he got union, he got merged into the Lord himself and he attained union with the Lord. So Hastindram tam hasta padmena dhritva, chakrena tvam nakravaryam vyadarihi gandharvesmin mukta shape sa hasti, tvat sarupyam prapya dedipyate sma. Hastindram tam hastapadmena dhritva chakrena tvam nakravaryam vyadharihi gandharvesmin mukta shape sahasti tvatsarupyam prapya dedipyate sma.
हस्तीन्द्रं तं हस्तपद्मेन धृत्वा चक्रेण त्वं नक्रवर्यं व्यदारीः गन्धर्वेऽस्मिन् मुक्तशापे सहस्ति त्वत्सारूप्यं प्राप्य ते दीप्यते स्म हस्तीन्द्रं तं हस्तपद्मेन धृत्वा चक्रेण त्वं नक्रवर्यं व्यदारीः गन्धर्वेऽस्मिन् मुक्तशापे सहस्ति त्वत्सारूप्यं प्राप्य ते दीप्यते स्म.
हस्तीन्द्रं तं हस्तपद्मेन धृत्वा चक्रेण त्वं नक्रवर्यं व्यदारीः गन्धर्वेऽस्मिन् मुक्तशापे सहस्ति त्वत्सारूप्यं प्राप्य देदीप्यते स्म हस्तीन्द्रं तं हस्तपद्मेन धृत्वा चक्रेण त्वं नक्रवर्यं व्यदारीः गन्धर्वेऽस्मिन् मुक्तशापे सहस्ती त्वत्सारूप्यं प्राप्य देदीप्यते स्म.
Last stanza. एतद् वृत्तं त्वां च मां च प्रगेह्यो गाहेत् सोऽयं भूयसे श्रेयसे स्यात् इत्युक्त्वैनं तेन सार्धं गतस्त्वं धिष्ण्यं विष्णो पाहि वातालयेश. So then eventually Vishnu then takes Gajendra with him to Vaikuntham, but before he goes he tells all those Tvam cha mam cha prageyo, those who narrate or sing about this Shreyase Syat, who sing about the praise of your devotion to me, right? In this, who's at dawn, prage, at the dawn in the morning, early in the morning, whoever sings about this to you and me with devotion will attain the Shreyase Syat, will attain the greatest good. The greatest good is liberation, right? So will attain liberation. Having said that, you take Gajendra with you, Sardam along with you to Vaikuntham. O such a Vishnu, you came to help Gajendra when he was at need. Similarly, Pahi Vatalayesha, similarly also protect me, O Lord of Guruvayur. So with this, Bhattacharya part ends this Dasakam. Etad Vrittam, double third there, Vrittam, Tvam cha Mam cha Prageyo, comma, Gayet Soyam, Bhuyase Shreyase Syat. Ityuktvainam, that's one word, Ityuktvainam, Tena Sardham Gatastvam, and put a plus if you have Dishnyam in your next line. So Gatastvam Dishnyam, and then put a comma after Dishnyam, Vishnu Pahi Vatalayesha. एतद् वृत्तं त्वां च मां च प्रगेह्यो गाहेत् सोऽयं भूयसे श्रेयसे स्यात् इत्युक्त्वैनं तेन सार्धं गतस्त्वं धिष्ण्यं विष्णो पाहि वातालयेश.
एतद् वृत्तं त्वां च मां च प्रकेयो गायेत् सोऽयं भूयसे श्रेयसे स्यात् इत्युक्त्वैनं तेन सार्धं गतस्त्वं धिष्ण्यं विष्णो पाहि वातालयेश. एतद् वृत्तं त्वां च मां च प्रगेयो गायेत् सोऽयं भूयसे श्रेयसे स्यात् इत्युक्त्वैनं तेन सार्धं गतस्त्वं धिष्ण्यं विष्णो पाहि वातालयेश.
एतद्वृत्तं त्वां च मां च प्रगेयो गायेत् सोऽयं भूयसे श्रेयसे स्यात् इत्युक्त्वैनं तेन सार्धं गतस्त्वं धिष्ण्यं विष्णो पाहि वातालयेश. एतद्वृत्तं त्वां च मां च प्रगेयो गायेत् सोऽयं भूयसे श्रेयसे स्यात् इत्युक्त्वैनं तेन सार्धं गतस्त्वं धिष्ण्यं विष्णो पाहि वातालयेश. श्रीकृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः.
So it completes Dasakam 26. It was a pretty short and a simple chapter relatively, right? And I think you all have become experts after chanting 24 and 25 as well. So 27, let's maybe get started and do like 3 or 4 stanzas today, right? Next 15-20 minutes, and then we can end the class. So this 27, 28, 29 are all connected chapters. So 27 is the Kurma Avataram, where the Lord is takes the form of a tortoise, Kurma Avataram. 28 is the coming of Lakshmi. Lakshmi Devi comes in 28 is born, or is not born in the sense not born, but Avataram of Lakshmi Devi happens in 28, and the Lakshmi Swayamvaram happens in 28. 29 is the Mohini Avataram of Vishnu, that is getting covered in 29. However, for this batch of 20 chapters, we are only going to cover 27. The 28 and 29 will be covered, I think, in the next batch of 30 chapters, right? So we'll get started with 27. And this is one avataram which, where, like, if you look at the various avatarams, right? Like Vamana avataram, the Lord comes one time, does something, goes away. Matsya avataram comes, does one thing, goes away. Krishna avataram and Rama avataram is like the entire lifespan. He stays through the entire lifespan and then does everything. Kurma avataram is one such instance where he comes in different forms at various points in time. So between these chapters 27, 28 and 29, you'll see he first comes as Vishnu, then comes in the form of a tortoise, then again comes in the form of Vishnu, then again comes as Vishnu, then comes as Mohini, then comes as, so multiple times he keeps coming and going, right? Or participating in the whole thing. It's a pretty long story that happens, 27, 28, 29. So we'll start with 27. Durvasa Suravanitapta Divyamalyam Shakraya Swayamupadaya Tatra Bhuyah Nagendra Pratimridite Shashapa Shakram Kakshantistvaditara Devatam Shajanam. So it's one of the Puranas called Brahmanda Purana. So in that, Brahma and Shiva get into some kind of a argument or some kind of a quarreling. I don't know if it's for where they try to find the light and that doesn't happen. I don't know if it's that, but some kind of thing happens. So Shiva was in a set of rage, and out of that is born a child called Durvasa. That's Durvasa, and the literal meaning of Durvasa is someone who is uncomfortable to be with. So being with that person is very uncomfortable. So that's why that person's name is Durvasa. That's the meaning of Durvasa. So and it's because he was born out of the anger of Shiva. And so he's considered a part of Shiva because he kind of came from Shiva. So this Durvasa one time had given Divya Malyam. He had once obtained like a garland or a jewel or something very divine from somebody. And then he personally went and gave it to Indra, who was the king of the gods. So Swayam Upadaya, he personally went and handed it over to Indra to say, you know what, you can keep it. However, what happened was Nagendra, that elephant of Indra, which is Airavata, that elephant ended up trampling on that, and that divine necklace or garland, whatever he gave, that got crushed or that got broken. So with that, like it happened in the previous chapter, Durvasa, whose name itself is uncomfortable to be with, he gets very angry and then he curses Indra, saying, you're going to lose all your power. So here, Bhattacharya is then saying, Khak Shanti, where is there calmness or peace, right, for anybody other than those who are devoted to you? Same thing what he said in the previous chapter. So especially because Durvasa is known to be angry. So Durvasas Sura Vanitapta Divya Malyam, Shakraya. Shakraya is referring to Indra. So it will come in multiple chapters later as well. Shakraya Swayam Upadaya. Swayam Upadaya Tatra Bhuyaha Nagendra Pratimridite Shashapa Shakram, Ka Kshantis, KSH, Kshantis Twaditara Devatam Shajanam. Devata Amshajanam. But you say that together. Twaditara Devatam Shajanam. Durvasa Suravanitapta Divyamalyam Shakraya Swayamupadaya Tatra Bhuyah Nagendra Pratimridite Shashapa Shakram Kakshantistvaditara Devatam Shajanam.
Durvasa Surasvanitapta Divyamalyam शक्राय स्वयमुपदाय तत्र भूयः नागेन्द्र प्रतिमृदिते शशाभ शक्रम् काक्षान्दित्वतितरद्देवतां स जानाम् दुर्वासासुरवनिताप्तदिव्यमाल्यम् शक्राय स्वयमुपदाय तत्र भूयः नागेन्द्र प्रतिमृदिते शशाभ शक्रम् काक्षान्दित्वतितरद्देवतां स जानाम्
दुर्वासासुरवनिताप्तदिव्यमाल्यम् शक्राय स्वयमुपादय तत्र भूयः
One second. Shakraya Swayam Upadhaya.
शक्राय
No,
स्वयमुपदाय
you can say Swayam Upadhaya.
ओके स्वयमुपदाय ओके दुर्वासासुरवनिताप्तदिव्यमाल्यं शक्राय मुपपदाय
I'll tell you what another mistake. You are saying Shakraya, you are saying, right? So when you say
Shakraya.
Ya, then you are adding one syllable, right? It is just
Okay, sure.
Shakraya.
ओके शक्राय स्वयमुप
Swayam, no, Swayam, self. Swayam means
Okay.
self. Upadaya.
ओके स्वयमुपदाय
Yeah.
ओके दुर्वासासुरवनिताप्तदिव्यमाल्यं शक्राय स्वयमुपपदाय तत्र भूयः नागेन्द्रप्रतिमृदिते शशाप शक्रं काकाङ्क्षित्स्त्वदितरदेवतां शजानाम्
The last one, you say that again. Kakshantis.
काकाङ्क्षन्
No. Ka, first is Ka.
Yeah.
Ka. Kshantis. KSH. Ksha.
ओके काक्षान्तस्
Yeah.
काक्षान्तस् ओके
Kshantis.
शान्तिस् ओके
Okay. You can just try saying that slowly when you come to that line.
Sure, okay. दुर्वासासुरवनिताप्तदिव्यमाल्यं शक्राय स्वयमुपपदाय तत्र भूयः नागेन्द्रप्रतिमृदिते शशाप शक्रं काङ्क्षन्तस्त्वदितरदेवतां शजानाम्
Kakshantis.
So we have here kakshantva we have here.
No, do you have a visarga there? Kakshantihi.
No.
Then what do you have there?
So in Telugu we have ka kankshit stva there.
No, Shanti. Like, like in Devi Matyam also, Shanti comes, right?
Shanti. Okay, okay.
It's a Shanti. Shanti is like peace, or it's not the Shanti, not that Shanti. It's like
Okay.
patience, more like patience.
Yeah.
Is little bit kind of the same thing, right? So
Okay.
Kakshantis.
Kakshantis. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, that's why it's different from Shanti. That
Yeah.
is just Sh. This is
Yeah.
KSH. Shanti.
Okay. Kakshantis. Okay.
Stanza 2. शापेन प्रतितजरेत निर्जरेन्द्रे देवेष्वप्यसुरजितेषु निष्प्रभेषु शर्वाद्याः कमलजमेत्य सर्वदेवा निर्वाणप्रभवसमं भवन्तमापुः. So this Indra is Nirjara. Nirjara means one who doesn't age. Although Indra is just a position. Indra is not the name of a person. It is a position that is held by somebody. Similarly, Brahma is a position which is held by somebody, and they take turns, right, as their time gets over. But for the period that somebody is an Indra, then he is strong. He doesn't age during that period. And then when his time gets over, the next Indra comes. So this Indra, because of the curse that he is now gotten from Durvasa, he becomes Jare. Jara means to get old. So he becomes old, he becomes weak, he loses all his power. So when the king of the gods loses all the powers, the Asuras get powerful. So the Asuras become powerful, and the Asuras end up defeating the Devas, and then they begin doing their atrocities. So when that happens, all the gods, Sarva Devaha, all the gods, along with Sharva Adya. Sharva is referring to Shiva. So beginning with Shiva, Kamala Jalam. Kamalajam. Kamalajam means one who is born out of lotus, which is Brahma. So they all come to Brahma, and then along with Brahma, they all then come to you, O Lord. Nirvana Prabhava, the one who actually gives liberation. So they all come to you asking for help. So Shapena Pratitha Jareta Nirjarendre, comma, Deveshwapya Sura. So this is Deveshu Api Sura. So it's multiple words are there. Asura. So that's why you can't break it. So Deveshwapya Sura is one word. Say it as one word. Jiteshu Nishprabheshu. Sharvadhyaha is there. So put a ich to join. Sharvadhyah Kamalajam Etya. Kamalajam Etya. Sarvadeva. Some books have Sarvadevaha in some books, but when we did the last class, majority had just Sarvadeva, so we didn't put the Visarga there. So just Sarvadeva. If you have a Visarga, remove it off, comma. Nirvana Prabhava Samam Bhavantam Apuhu. Shapena Pratitajareta Nirjarendre Deveshwapyasurajiteshu Nishprabheshu Sharvadyah Kamalajametya Sarvadeva Nirvana Prabhava Samam Bhavantamapuhu.
Sapena Pratitajareta Nirjarendre Deveshwapyasurade Yasurati Chideshu Nishprabheshu Sarvadhyah Kamalajametya Sarvadeva Nirvana Prabhava Samam Bhavantamapuhu.
Subhadra, on the third line, it's hearing a Sarvadya, Sharvadya.
Sarvadya.
Yeah.
Sarvadya Kamalajametya Sarvadeva Nirvana Prabhava Samam Bhavantamapuhu. Savena Pratitajareta Nirjarendre Deveshwapyasurajiteshu Nishprabheshu Sarvadya Kamalajametya Sarvadeva Nirvana Prabhava Samam Bhavantamapuhu.
Shapena Pratitajareta Nirjarendre Deveshwapyasurajiteshu Nishprabheshu Sarvadhyak Kamalajametya Sarvadeva Nirvana Prabhava Samam Bhavantamapuhu.
Chitaka, third line, Sharvadya.
Dah.
Yeah.
Okay. Shapena Pratitajareta Nirjarendre Deveshwapyasurajiteshu Nishprabheshu Sarvadhyak
Is extra Sharvadya.
Okay. Sarvadhyak Kamalajametya Sarvadeva Nirvana Prabhava Samam Bhavantamapuhu.
So we do just one or two more and we can stop. Brahmadya istuta mahima chiram tadhanim pradushyan varada purah parena dhamna he deva ditija kulair vidhaya sandhim piyusham parimatateti paryashastvam. So Brahma along with all the gods are going there, and then they go pray to Vishnu in Vaikuntha, and then they sing his glory and everything. So at that time, the Lord appears in front of them, and then he tells them, you go and do sandhim, you go do peace, you go try to make peace with the asuras. Ditija Kulai. So the Aditi, so the Kashyapa has two wives, Aditi and Diti. So Diti is the mother of all the asuras, Aditi is the mother of all the gods. So you go Ditija Kulai. So go talk to the sons or kids of Diti, who are the asuras, and then go make peace with them and go tell them that Piyusham Parimata. Let's go and churn this ocean out of which we are all going to get nectar. And each of us individually, asuras or devas, individually cannot do it. And we all have to work together and go tell them that and then make peace with them. So then they will stop fighting with you and then they'll start supporting you. So that's the advice that's given here. So Brahmadhyaihi is there, put a is. So Brahmadhyais Stuta Mahima Chiram Tadanim, comma Pradushan, ish, the double sh there, Pradushan Varada Puraha is there, put a if to join, Puraf Parena Dhamna He Deva Ditija Kulair Vidaya Sandhim, comma Piyusham Parimathatheti Paryashastvam. Brahmadhyaistutamahima tadhanim Pradushyan Varada Purah Parena Dhamna He Deva Ditija Vidhaya Sandhim Piyusham Parimathatheti Paryashastvam.
Brahmadhyai stutamahima chirantadhani pradushyan varadapura parena dhamna he deva ditija kulair vidhaya santim piyusham parimatateti paryasastvam. Brahmatyai stutamahima chiram tadhani pradushyan varada pura parena dhamna he deva ditija kulai vidhaya sandhim piyusham parimatate paryasastvam.
Brahmadhyaistutamahima chiram tadanim pradushan varada purah parena dhamna he deva ditajakulair vidhaya sandhim piyusham paramatateti paryashastvam.
Here there are a couple of corrections.
Yeah.
Pradushyan. There's a half ish and then there's a sha. So Pradushyan. Okay.
Okay.
Then the third line is Ditija, not Ditaja. Ditija.
Okay, sure.
And then the third and last line is Parimata.
Parimata. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Brahmadhyaistutamahima chiram tadanim pradushan varada purah parena dhamna he deva ditija kulair vidhaya sandhim piyusham parimathateti paryashastvam.
Correct.
Thank you, Rajesh.
So we'll do one stanza and then we'll stop. Sandhanam kritavati dhana vaisurhaughe manthanam nayati madena mandaradhrim bhrashtesmin badaramivodvahan khagendre sadyastvam vinihitavan payah payodhau. So the devas then approach the asuras and then Sandhanam, they make peace with them, they agree on a plan, and then along with the asuras and the devas, they need to churn the ocean, so they need to get something, a churning rod. For that they try to get the Mandara mountain to churn, but when they were lifting it with great pride, because they could not bear the weight, they didn't have a means of carrying it, so that Mandara mountain they could not move. So at that time, you, O Lord, came in the form of, you came on Khagendre. Khaga means bird, Indra means king, Khagendra means king of birds, so referring to Garuda here. So you, O Lord, came in the form of Khagendra, in the form of Garuda or on Garuda, and then you lifted that Mandara mountain as if Bhadaram is referring to a berry, a small berry fruit. So you picked it up as if it was a very small berry fruit, right? So that was a size that the Lord came in, and you picked it up as in the berry fruit, and then Payodav, and then you got it ready for churning the ocean. So that is 4. So Sandhanam Kritavati Danavaihi is there, put a is, Danavais Surauge, comma, Manthanam. First is Sandhanam, second is Manthanam, Nayati Madena Mandaradrim. Bhrashtesmin Badaram Ivodvahan. Okay, Badaram Ivodvahan. If you want to break it at im. Badaram Ivodvahan Khagendre, comma, Sadyas Tvam Vinihitavan Payaha is there. Put a if, Payaf Payodhau. Sandhanam Kritavati Dhana Vaisurauge Manthanam Nayati Madena Mandaradrim Bhrashtesmin Bhadarami Bodvahan Khagendre Sadyastvam Vinihitavan Payaf Payodhau.
Sandhanam Kritavati Danavaisurauke Manthanam Nayati Madena Mandaratrim Prashtesmin Badaramivodvahan Khagendre Satyastvam Vinihitavan Payodhau. Sandhanam Kritavati Danavaisurauke Manthanam Nayati Madena Mandaratrim Prashtesmin Padaramivodvahan Khagendre Satyastvam Vinihitavan Payodhau.
Samdhanam Krutavati Danavaisurauge Manthanam Nayati Madena Mandaradrim Bhrashtesmin Badaramivodvahan Khagendre Satyastvam Vinihatavan Payaf Payodhau.
Vinihitavan.
Vinihatavan. Okay. Sandhanam Krutavati Danavaisurauge Manthanam Nayati Madena Mandaradrim Bhrashtesmin Badaramivodvahan Khagendre Sadyastvam Vinihitavan Payaf Payodhau.
Okay, we'll end the class here today. Om Sandhanandhavabodhatmakamanupamitam Kaladeshavadibhyam Nirmuktam Nityamuktam Nigamashatasahasrena Nirbhasyamanam Aspashtam Drishtahatre Punarurupurushartatmakam Brahmatattvam Tattavad Bhati Sakshat Guru Pavanapure Hanta Bhagyam Jananam कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि.